Guys, check out this 2008 Hyundai Santa Fe. They brought this in on a wrecker, 143,000 miles, pretty slick unit. Not sure what the problem is. It acts like it has a security issue on it, but you need to buy it just like you see it. We don't know anything about it. We've done no tests on it. We did try to start it and we could not make it start. This car is going to be located in our yard in Abilene, Texas. Bid online at cmauctions.com. No minimums, no reserves. We're online at cmauctions.com.